Not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this or if they're even still there. I was getting ready to close up the office here and I saw a bunch of stuff flying by and I didn't know if it was wind or we were having hail or anything. You never know out here what the weather's going to do, but there's a bunch of little birds were flying by. I think they're out in the field. I'm going to flip this around and go out there and see if they'll scatter. Maybe little finches or whatever, just kind of eating. So let's go out there. Shh. Just going to go out there and walk out and you see if you can see them fly away when we get out here. There were at least 50 or 100 of them flying by. So let's see what happens. Not really wanting to disturb them, but kind of cool. See if you guys can see. Let's just get in, zoom in here a little bit. Out in the field there. Just a bunch of them. Kind of cool. Don't know if you guys can see them. Let's zoom in. Flying over my head, all up inside the wires and just chirping around. Nothing too amazing, but still kind of cool. More of them flying around. Let's see if we go out here and see if we can get them to move a little more. See, there they go. Kind of a little swarm or whatever. See them out there? Now they're going over there and then they're all landing. Kind of all in unison. And now they're over there by that guy's stuff. That's not going to last long, his little makeshift wall or whatever. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Not sure if you guys could see those guys. Well, let's just flip this over. Check this out. Jesus, name above all names. 10 Commandments. Jesus, King of Kings. These are not for sale. Pastor Scott out here at the 10 Commandment Park. Just saw some birds flying by. Wanted to see if I can catch them for you. Anyway, take it easy. God bless. If you need anything at all, give us a call at 1-855-70-JESUS.